On October 5, 2025, in Beachwood, Ohio, an officer was dispatched after a concerned citizen reported a female motorist driving erratically. The suspect had already struck a road sign and fled. When the officer located the vehicle, he immediately initiated a traffic stop.
Hello. Have you step out for me? What's going on? Is it in park?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Step back here for me. What did you hit?
A curb.
Just a curb?
Yeah. Coming off the freeway over there, I hit a curb.
Where'd you get off the freeway at?
I'm not for sure. I'm coming back from Cleveland.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm headed to
Okay. You
Youngstown.
can't drive like that. All right, where are you headed to?
Youngstown.
Youngstown. Okay.
Yeah.
Any reason you got off the highway?
I'm following the GPS.
Okay. All right. Is your driver's license in here? Do you mind if he grabs that?
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. It's on a phone. It's in the phone case.
Radio 25.
Go ahead.
Caller is in a silver Hyundai Tucson, pulled to the gas station near you.
Thank you.
Get a statement.
Copy. All right. How much you had to drink tonight?
2 shots.
2 shots. How long ago was that?
About an hour and a half ago.
Hour and a half ago. Okay. Was that in Cleveland, where you're coming from? Okay. You know the English alphabet?
English alphabet?
Yeah, just alphabet. All right. Can I have you say it from starting at the letter C as in Charlie and stopping at the letter Q as in Queen? You're going to start at C, say it till Q, and then stop.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. You said Q, right?
Yeah. All right. I'm going to show you one thing here. You're going to touch the tip of your finger. The tip of your thumb to the tip of each finger, counting from 1 to 4, and then back down from 4 to 1. It's going to look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Then you're going to Youngstown, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. And where did you exactly hit this curb?
I literally just hit it, like coming off the freeway.
Coming
I
off
don't
the
know
freeway.
where the freeway is. I'm just following my GPS, but I just hit it.
Okay. All
Maybe
right.
about a mile ago, a half a mile ago.
All right. And you said you're just following the GPS?
Yeah. I don't
You're-
exactly know where I'm going, but that's what I was following. The GPS.
Okay. All right. So I smell alcohol on your breath. All right. So I'm gonna run you through some tests and make sure you're okay to drive. All right. So just give me 1 minute if you want to talk to this officer. Rest of it. Where you work. Yeah. Hey, English. Do you mind getting a statement from the party over there? Yep. All right. You got any head injuries or anything like that in the past? Any issues with your vision, anything like that? Okay. If I could just have you face me, you're gonna stand with your feet together, hands down at your sides, just like this. Do you wear contacts or glasses? No? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna check your eyes.
You want to write a statement, my man?
Absolutely. Sure. You're going to keep your head still, and you're just going to look at the tip of this pen. Any issues seeing the tip of that pen? No? Okay. You're going to follow the movement of the pen with your eyes only. You keep following the pen with your eyes until you're told the test is over. Make sense? Any questions for me? Keep following, it's going to go up. You got a coat or anything in the car? Nothing? Okay. I'm trying to get you out of here as quick as we can. Alright, any issues with your balance? Had any leg injuries or anything like that in the past? Okay. I'm going to have you just step over to this white line here. Do you have shoes in the car that you want to put on? You sure you're okay? Alright. I'm going to have you place your left foot on that white line.
So she was chagrined. You were getting off 271 northbound?
Originally, when I was coming, she was moving at a really, really low she was traveling very, very, like, on the highway, she was going like 45 miles an hour.
Okay, okay.
And then I watched her go through 3 different lanes of travel without signaling. And then she was just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And then she went to exit, like she was getting off at Chagrin.
You 271 north, right?
Yes.
Or south?
North.
You were going that way?
Correct.
Yeah.
So she exited like she was going there, and then as she was exiting, she hit that, there was like a road sign or something,
right.
One of the ODOT signs. She took it right off and then got back on 271.
North,
and then she drove all the way up
to Cedar?
And then
she came Cedar, then
correct.
All the way over to Richmond and Richmond South?
Yes.
Okay.
Once you start walking, don't stop until you've completed the test. You understand all the instructions? Any questions for me? Anything else I can clarify? Okay, go ahead and start whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3,
Make sure you're watching your feet.
5, 6, 8.
Okay, you can step back over here. We'll get out of the roadway. All right, go ahead and start whenever you're ready.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005.
Make sure you're watching your foot.
2006, 2007, 2008. Sorry.
Okay, just go ahead and restart. Okay, you can stop.
2016.
Okay, Dominique, I think you've had a little too much to drink tonight, okay? So you're going to go to jail for driving under the influence, okay? So go ahead and turn around for me.
Too much to drink.
Yeah. Go ahead and turn around for me.
Oh. I didn't even have that much to drink. Can you run the test again?
No, we only do it once. You're going to have an opportunity to provide a breath sample here once we get back to the station, okay?
Can we do a breath sample here?
No, it has to be done at our station. All right, I'm going to have you step back to this first car. Do you need anything out of the car? You got a wallet or phone charger, anything like that? No? Okay, stand right here. Seat for me. Just the phone. What's that?
So while you're doing that, that car pulled out a Beachwood on the complete wrong side of the road. Go up to the light, stop on the complete wrong side of the road.
Can we get photographs of this, please? She said she hit a curb about a half mile back when she got off the highway.
She was going eastbound.
This is more than a curb.
Okay, take a vehicle to jail.
She injured, say she's injured though?
Yeah, this is definitely more than a curb. So
It's a pole. To get the pound.
yeah, it's got to be like a
I'll get you pictures.
traffic pole.
Maybe the witness knows.
They were gonna save us? Yeah.
What did they said they were getting off northbound?
I'll go.
Strench, you go. Can you
271
help me? Okay.
Okay, she was trying, he was behind her. The whole time she was swerving.
Can I
You
call
okay?
AAA? Yeah.
What's that?
Can I call AAA?
No, we have to tow the car, so it's gonna go to our impound.
I don't have time to get it out the impound.
You can't drive it. It's you got
That's
all
why I'm
the.
asking. Can I call AAA?
No, we have to tow it because nobody can get it out of the impound.
75 stop, clean right to
It's undrivable. It's probably gonna be totaled. All right, so it goes to our police impound.
So after that, I would be able to get it out the impound.
I don't think this car is gonna be driving, but yes, you.
I understand that
Yeah.
part because it's
If-
total. The
Radio,
airbags came
right.
out, but I'm asking.
You can get it towed from the impound.
Yes,
whatever
you
you
can get it
Towed
towed
from
out
the
of there.
impound, but I can't get it towed right now because it's total.
No, because you're under arrest, so we have to tow the car.
But I'm under arrest because of.
OVI, operating vehicle under the influence.
Gonna be on the parking lot
But I
facing
haven't
towards
had that
Zachary near
much.
building 1.
Okay. Based on the tests, I don't believe that's true.
Based on the test.
You'll have an opportunity to provide a breath sample once we get back to the station.
And then if that comes back clear, then what?
Then we talk about you're still going to be charged with operating under the influence. You're just not
If
going
it
to be
comes
charged
back
with
clear,
Correct.
then how?
All right.
How?
We'll talk about everything when we get back to the station. I have to read you a
If it
bunch of
comes back
paperwork.
clear, then I can't be charged with the OVI.
That's not correct. But
No, that is correct. Because
not correct.
if my breathalyzer comes back clear, then I can't be charged with the OVI because it's not.
whoever told you that was incorrect. Okay, but I'll go over everything once we get back. You are under arrest, so you're
Yeah,
going to be charged
that
with
part
it.
obviously, but because if the breathalyzer come back clear, I will still be charged.
Yes.
That's
You've
incorrect.
already been
That's
charged with
incorrect.
OVI.
That's
I'm already
incorrect.
charging you right now. Okay, I'll talk to you back when we get back to the station, okay? Okay.
Copy that.
271 northbound. He was watching her the whole way. She was swerving. We were going real slow, 45 miles an hour. And
This is on northbound.
northbound, 271.
Chagrin.
She tried to get off at Chagrin. While she was getting off, she completely wiped out the ODOT sign. I don't know what ODOT sign he's talking about. When she wiped it out, crashed into it.
That's
She-
what
she
did
got-
this. Okay.
She got back on the highway and continued 271 north.
73 and 94 turning on Zagger now.
When she got
You
to
put it
Cedar,
up.
she got off the Cedar. This guy was following her the whole time. He watched her all the way to Cedar, all the way over westbound to Richmond, and followed her all the way here.
Okay. All right, so this happened somewhere northbound by Chagrin, trying to get off at Chagrin.
Yeah.
All right, so it's probably in our city,
It is in our city, yeah. I was
depending
like,
on where,
if I get an opportunity to go over there and see what sign
Yeah.
wiped out and
deal
take
with
a
it
picture.
later. But I'll start the tow. Based on my tests, I believe that you are intoxicated.
Because I stumbled.
There's all kinds of clues of impairment that I saw when we were taking those tests.
$5? You want that?
I just left the money. There's a bunch of money in there.
The dynamic duo.
Except for some people, huh?
Yeah.
What happened? Bang, man. What
On
happened?
Paul somewhere.
Somewhere, huh? Maybe not in your city. Maybe, in another city.
We're not sure yet.
It's up for debate.
Yes, sir.
Come out
Yes,
in the
sir.
wash, huh? It'll all come out later on. Thanks for protecting us, guys.
She was driving 62% over the legal drinking limit and walked away charged with operating a vehicle impaired and driving an unsafe vehicle. Every stop like this is a reminder of what officers deal with every single day. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe, because there's a lot more where this came from. See you in the next one.